Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. My name is Nilesh, and in this video, I'm going to try to give you an overview of the field of data science. So, if you are new to this field, I think this is a perfect video to get you thinking about what's in this field and should I or should not enter this field. And I'll also try to give my thoughts on uh, sort of the steps that you may need to take to enter this field, and if there are any prerequisites that are needed to enter this field. So let's get started. And in this very first slide is the outline of the talk. We are going to uh, talk a little bit about what is data, then how can we learn from data. So that's what this field is about. So we have data, and somehow we are going to try and make sense out of it and create a product or create something that we can use or to make things more efficient. And then if I'm interested to enter this field, how do I do that? So what is the first step that I need to take? And finally, we'll conclude. So the big picture here is that the data that we generate every day is used to train artificial intelligence models. That is to say that there are mathematical models which we can train nowadays because of abundance of computational resources that are available, and the output of these models that are trained is a product that we can use. So one simple example is the recommendations that we get on YouTube after watching a video. We watch a video and then we get 5 other videos that are similar to it. And the reason why we get those 5 videos is because uh, the data that we generate while watching a video, for example, the type of video, the duration of the video, if we gave it any ratings, what are the ratings, how many likes are on the video, and so on and so forth. That information is sort of matched with other videos, and those top videos that sort of match with your interests are then uh, shown back to you as recommendations. So that is one example. And here in this picture is just to give you an uh, in sort of visual cues for where we might be either using AI right now, or we might use AI in the future. So this is a New York Times Square image, and here we can see I've put these balloons which sort of tells that this could be or is currently being uh, uh, has some sort of AI behind it. For example, if we are looking at self-driving cars, there is AI where the sensors on board the car identify what is in front, side, or behind the car, and then accordingly the computer that has the AI in it will take that data as input and calculate if the car should move forward or it should stand, or what should be the speed of the car, and so on. Another example could be AI in traffic control. So based on the traffic data that is collected by on the street cameras, maybe that data can be used to uh, control the flow of traffic. That is to say that you can change the stoplights, red, green, yellow, and so on. So with this, then on the left hand side, we see that there are uh, some technologies that already have been developed. As you can see, they do lots of amazing things. For example, if you have ChatGPT, which you already may know, you can write a question and it gives you back an answer. Now, these are, for most part, if you dig deep down, these are mathematical models. And likewise, there are other models where you can, they're text to image. So you type text, say I want a picture of a dog, and it will create a picture of dog for you. So things have, and likewise it can also create videos now. So AI is progressing rapidly, and on the right hand side we see that there are some other examples. For example, face recognition. If you're trying to board maybe a plane, there could be a camera in front of you that will take picture of you and see if you are the same person, and uh, that is gonna board from with that ticket and so on. Again, there is a ATM machine. So as soon as you let's say if you put in a check, yeah, the AI can scan and detect what is the amount written on the check, so you don't have to manually type in the amount. It will already uh, show that to you that the check is for X amount, and you just have to say yes or no. So uh, as uh, as Andrew Ng, professor, he has said that AI is the new electricity, and we are seeing glimpses of that right now. That it is becoming more and more important as years are going by, and this technology is evolving fast. So and so will be the skills required to keep up with this technology would evolve fast as well.